Hi Satish.
Today we are doing chocolate cake.
The ingredients we needed are 4 bourbons,
Half liter of milk and Eno. Instead of Eno, you can use baking powder.
Before we grind the bourbon biscuits,
We should remove the cream for the icing. After removing the cream, we should break these biscuits into half and put it to grinder to get the fine powder.
after grinding the biscuits to a fine powder, we must put it to a bowl.
First, we should blend it. If you don't have a blender, you can use spoon, but it will take a long period of time.
We must put half tablespoon of Eno.
To bake that batter, first we should take a bowl and with the silicone brush we should rub it with oil. Then cover it with maida.
Now put the batter in.
We should take an empty pan and put the bowl which we have put the batter in inside it. And then on the stove. And then close it for 1 to 2 minutes. It's been few minutes. Now I'll check it again. Yeah, it's ready. We can melt the cream for icing in a double boiler. You should put little milk to the double boiler and the cream and melt it. It tastes yummy. You can try this at home. It's very easy.